Hi kids, welcome back. Colors. Kids, let's learn color name. Blue color, violet color, purple color, orange, black, brown, green, light green, red, pink, ice, sky blue, yellow. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's trace. Kids, we are tracing letter A. A for apple, violet color. Letter B. B for ball, green color. Letter C. C for cat, red color. Kids, we are tracing letter D. D for duck. Letter E. E for eagle. Letter F. F for fish. Letter G. G for goat. H. H for horse. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.